Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on Brick and Play. Now in today's video, what I have for you today is a single overhead cam with a vacuum engine. So as you can see, this engine looks pretty similar to my single overhead cam with a vacuum engine version 1. This is version 2, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the details and running of this engine in this video. So guys, this engine uses a 7 long connecting rod for the 4x8 piston, which you can see there. It looks like a 4x6 piston, but if I turn it this way, you can see it probably there and there. So I have ordered on Bricklink a handful of parts. The gears and the chain are new, and yeah, I have a 3 long crankshaft, and yeah, my version 1 of this engine had other cams. I can show it to you here, and yeah, let's see how it runs. So guys, that was the engine running, and here is the intake and this is the exhaust valve. So you can see when I'm turning the engine over, the valve open and close into the cylinder. So what I must say is this engine is probably the fastest single overhead cam like a vacuum engine I've seen on YouTube. And if you have one but not on YouTube, go upload it. It would be really cool to see other engines. And yeah guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you all did enjoy, and if you do, don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe my channel. That would help me a lot, and thank you guys for 32 subscribers. This is really cool. This was Brick and Play. See ya in the next video. Bye!